Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Tavistock Terrace. And we're going to talk about these billion-dollar structures going up. Billion-dollar structures. And then look at the state of the road you have to drive on to get there. I mean, you think this road is bad? This road takes us up from Millsboro Avenue. Look at the road. Now, the top left hand corner of the screen, that is Spyglass. Ultra luxury residential development. Billion-dollar investment. We just passed a couple of apartment buildings or developments that are finished. But this one is under construction. And this is the road you drive on to get up there. We're going to drive, this is Tavistock Terrace. We're going to drive on the road. This is something I've never understood. The Rogers on Waterloo Avenue, the tallest building in Jamaica, 20 floors, luxury residential units, luxury. And you should see the state of the road you have to drive on to get there. And around the Rogers, you have Parkhurst 1, you have Genesis 28, all luxury apartments, 20 South, high-rise buildings on the road. Now this is the road we're driving on. This is the main road. This is Tavistock Terrace. This is the road you have to take to get to this billion-dollar investment. I think there needs to be some sort of priority given to certain roads. I mean, people pay property tax, which is what you use, or what one of the, I don't even know what it's used for, but fixing of the roads is always indicated as one of the uses for property tax. This is the road. You can access it from the Jacks Hill side and you can access it from the Millsboro side. We accessed it from the Millsboro side, but this is the road. I think it's so bad you don't even see asphalt anymore. See the power lines that run along the road? See, there is no asphalt on the road. So guys, let me know what you think. This is a main road in Jamaica. And you have some very nice homes up here. And you also have some mega developments under construction, one of which is Spyglass. And we have videos up on Spyglass and all the other the Rogers that we spoke about, Waterloo Avenue. We have videos up on all of them so you can check it out. But guys, what do you think about these roads? And now when these apartments are sold, the government is going to collect stamp duty and they're going to collect transfer tax, not to mention other things. The GCT of the goods used to build these buildings. So very nice development. We have videos up on Spyglass, you can check it out also. Very nice development, but it's the road we're talking on, you have to drive on to get up here. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We're going to drive up Tavistock and turn around and come back down. Tavistock Terrace, that is. So enjoy the rest of the tour and let us know what you think about the condition of this road and the other roads by these very expensive developments. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.